Hello, kids. Did you miss me? I know. What's my name again? Yes, I'm Teacher Connie. And this week, our topic is all about why is the sun important? But before that, let's first have our conversation. I'm advising all of you to listen carefully to the sentences and repeat after.
My country. Thailand is my country. The former name was Siam. The current capital city is Bangkok. Bangkok is named the Venice of the East. The Thai flag has 3 colours: red, white and blue. Buddhism is the national religion. Ratchapruk is the national flower. My country is beautiful and peaceful. Thai food is very delicious. I am proud to be a Thai. I love my country. Dialogue 1. About my country. 1. What is the name of our country?
It's Thailand.
2. What was the former name of Thailand?
It was Siam.
3. What is the current capital city of Thailand?
It's Bangkok.
4. What was the first capital of Thailand?
It was Sukhothai.
5. Why is Bangkok named the Venice of the East?
Because of the many canals.
6. How many colours are there in the Thai flag?
Three colors. They are red, white, and blue.
7. What is the national religion of Thailand?
is Buddhism?
8. Do you love your country?
Yes, I love my country.
สวัสดี
Good job! Next, of course, are documentary.
Walking with dinosaurs. Part 1. Midterm. Pachyrhinosaurus. 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 Vocabulary. Thick. Herds. Predators. The name Pachyrhinosaurus means reptile with a thick nose. It was a large plant-eating dinosaur that travelled in herds to avoid predators. It lived between 72 and 68 million years ago. Truodon. 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 Vocabulary. Agile. Powerful. Claw. Truodon is a small but agile bird-like dinosaur. It had long, thin, powerful hind legs and was a fast runner. The arms had clawed fingers, enabling them to hold food and other objects. Gorgosaurus. Go, saw us. Go, saw us. Gorgosaurus. Vocabulary. Fierce. Huge. Cone-shaped. The name Gorgosaurus means fierce lizard. It was a meat-eating dinosaur which had huge jaws with large, sharp and cone-shaped teeth. Its legs were powerful. It had tiny arms and 2-fingered hands. Edmontosaurus. 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 Vocabulary. Duck-billed. Defenses. Avoid. The name Edmontosaurus means Edmonton lizard. It was a large plant-eating, duck-billed dinosaur. It was a dinosaur that moved slowly, with few defenses, but had keen senses to avoid enemies.
Chicka chicka boom! Boom boom boom!
Dino wow! Boom boom, long ago there were dinosaurs. Boom boom, dinosaurs were everywhere.
Big ones, small ones, fast and slow ones.
Boom boom, it was the dinosaur time.
They used to walk, they used to run. They used to swim, they used to fly.
Oh, it was the dinosaur time. Welcome to the dinosaur world.
Dinosaur world! Dinosaur world! Boom boom, long ago there were dinosaurs. Boom boom, dinosaurs were everywhere.
Big ones, small ones, fast and slow ones.
Boom boom, it was the dinosaur time.
Meat eaters with sharp teeth.
Wow!
And eaters with flat teeth.
Cool!
It was the dinosaur time. Welcome to the dinosaur world. Welcome to the dinosaur world.
You're doing great, kids! Next is our vocabulary words. Let's read and spell the following words. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Our first word is important. Say it with me. Important. Let's spell important. I M P O R T A N T. Important. Next word is life. Again, life. Let's spell life. L I F E. Life. Our next vocabulary word is earth. Again, earth. Let's spell earth. E A R T H. Earth. Next is breathe. Again, breathe. Let's spell breathe. B R E A T H E. Breathe. Next is oxygen. One more time. Oxygen. Let's spell oxygen. O X Y G E N. Oxygen. Next word is light. Say it again. Light. Let's spell light. L I G H T. Light. Next is heat. Again, heat. Let's spell heat. H E A T. Heat. Next vocabulary word is people. Say it with me. People. Let's spell people. B E O B L E. People. Next word is clouds. Again, clouds. Let's spell clouds. C L O U D S. Clouds. Our last vocabulary word is land. Say it again. Land. Let's spell land. L A N D. Land. Now kids, get your pencil and paper and let's do our dictation. I will read the word twice and you spell the word correctly. Are you ready? Okay, number 1. Spell important. Again, important. Number 2. Spell life. Again, life. Number 3. Spell earth. Again, earth. Number 4. Spell breathe. Again, breathe. And number 5. Spell oxygen. Again, oxygen. Let's proceed to our main topic. Last week, we only focused on reviewing the previous lessons and doing some activities, right? Okay, this week, our topic is all about why is the sun important? Before we start, let's first watch a short video.
Why do we need the sun?
We humans tend to really enjoy the sun, whether playing on a sandy beach in the middle of the summer or soaking in the rays by the side of the pool. We love the warmth the sun provides. Even as seasons change and temperature drops, a ray of sunshine on a wintry day can warm the heart. The sun is a star and the center of our solar system. Everything in our solar system revolves around it. The sun is crucial to life on Earth and to the existence of all the other planets around us. The sun's immense mass draws all the other planets in the solar system toward it. Since Earth and all the other planets are moving very fast through space, the sun's presence keeps them moving around itself. If the sun would suddenly disappear, Earth and the other planets would retain their forward motion, effectively flying off onto outer space in a straight line. Many early cultures saw the sun as a god. The ancient Greeks thought that the sun was a handsome god and they named it Helios. The ancient Romans took much of their culture from the Greeks, and as their empires progressed, they worshipped a number of sun gods. However, in doing so, they replaced the Greek word for sun, Helios, with the Latin root work of sol. We have carried the name Sol forward to today, as it represents anything related to our sun, including our solar system. Ancient Egyptians had a sun god called the Ra, while in Aztec mythology there is a sun god named Tonatiuh. The structure of the sun is made up of 6 distinct regions: core, radiative zone, convective zone, photosphere, chromosphere, and corona. The sun is held together due to gravitational attraction that produces an intense temperature and pressure at the core.
So why do we need the sun?
The energy from the sun is very important to the Earth. The sun warms our planet, heating the surface, the oceans, and the atmosphere. This energy to the atmosphere generates our weather patterns. The sun gives energy to the growing green plants that provide the food and oxygen for life on Earth. Without the sun's heat and light, the Earth would be a lifeless ball of ice-coated rock.
Does the sun important to all the life on Earth? Yes, of course. The sun is important to all the life on Earth. Do you have any idea why is the sun important? Let's talk about it. We all know that the sun gives us light and heat. So what is the biggest part of sun to all living things? Plants need the sun to live. Without the sun, plants wouldn't get the necessary food needed to grow, reproduce, and survive. Plants need three basic things to live. The first one is sunlight, of course. Next is water. And the last one is carbon dioxide. Through a process called photosynthesis, the plants use the energy from the sun to convert carbon dioxide, soil nutrients, and water into food. Let us elaborate photosynthesis and how important this process to the plants. Photosynthesis is the process in which green plants use sunlight to make their own food. Photosynthesis is necessary for life on Earth. Without it, there would be no green plants, and without green plants, there would be no animals. Photosynthesis requires sunlight, chlorophyll, water, and carbon dioxide gas. Chlorophyll is a substance in all green plants, especially in the leaves. Plants take in water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. Photosynthesis is very important because almost all living things depend on plants for food. Photosynthesis is also important because of the oxygen it produces. Humans and other animals need to breathe in oxygen to survive. Let's proceed. Animals and people eat plants to live, right? So what would happen if all the plants on Earth died? If all the plants on Earth died, so would the people. People need plants to live. When green plants make food, they give off oxygen. Oxygen is a gas that all animals must breathe in order to stay alive. Without plants, animals would have no oxygen to breathe and would die. People also depend on plants for food. All animals eat either plants or plant-eating animals. Without plants, there would be no food to eat. Therefore, if there is no sun, there is no life on Earth. Let us now proceed to our activity. Part 1. Multiple choice. Identify the following pictures and choose the letter of the correct answer. Part 2. True or false? Write true if the statement is correct and false if it is not. And that's all for today, kids. I hope you learned something from our discussion. Be safe.